I'm Charles Moman from Southern Indiana, and if you've done any searching on YouTube about runaway campers, you probably were sent to me because I've got so many videos about runaway campers. I have over 1.5 million views, all about the campers for the past several years, including the newest ones, and I just posted some new videos a few months ago. And so the reason I'm making this short video is my wife and I have owned two, a 4x8 and a 6x8, and we recently sold our second one. Just left here a couple of days ago, but we're still part of the Runaway family, very good friends with many Runaway owners, and especially the Shives family that owns and runs the company. But we decided to go with a Ford Transit van conversion that we worked on all winter long, and we're leaving them off for Colorado. So we wanted to be a little more self-contained. The reason for this video is if you're trying to find out information about Runaway, obviously you should go to the Runaway Campers website for the basic information, because I see people asking questions that are answered right there. Or you can call the sales office and they're glad to help you. I know all the people there and friendly folks, and they're there to help you. Then you can also search through my channel, and I'm not monetized, so I don't gain anything if you look, but you'll find a lot of neat ones about modifications and about the different models. But I want to point you to a particular channel right now, and I'm prejudiced, but it's a good friend of mine, Ed and Nancy. They have a channel called Hangin with Herky, and lately they're doing more travel vlog kinds of things, and you may like that. I like some travel vlogs. I don't watch 1 million of them myself, but what I want you to do is, I'm going to put a link or two below. Ed just recently put an excellent video out about maintenance and checking out your Runaway every year. Typical maintenance you should do every time you go out, and then maybe what you should do once a year or twice a year. Excellent advice, and he's got a couple of others as well. And so I just wanted to highly suggest that if you're looking at Runaway, or you bought a Runaway, check out their channel. And if you're looking to buy a used one, here on my channel I've got a video about my suggestions about buying a used Runaway. So even though we are no longer Runaway Camper owners, like I say, I'm still deeply involved with them emotionally, and I like doing the videos about their campers and all the good friends that we made with Runaway. We're actually going to Runaway Rally in a couple of weeks. It's for owners and former owners. So check out Hangin with Herky, and you'll get some great tips, and you might want to watch their travels. They're going all over the place now. Thanks for watching.